Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. Today we're gonna take a look at what structure is in the Bitcoin chart, and we're also gonna discuss the FOMC meeting later today. Another rate hike looks like a sure thing. It might be the Fed's last. Let's take a look at the charts. So as this article clearly says, another rate hike looks like a sure thing. As you can see, 98.9% are betting that we're gonna see an interest rate hike of 25 basis points. And yeah, it's kind of been expected and communicated by the Fed in the last federal funds rate meeting that they're pausing temporarily and that they might increase the next time. So this is anticipated by the market, at least. So we'll see what happens later today. And as I said in the intro, we have created a specific structure right here. As you can see, I told you 29.5k is the point to break in order for us to get a double top formation confirmation. And we've been doing that, and we've been closing below this for a while now, and the next target to the downside is at 26.8k. As you can see here, a lot of volume candles in that area which hasn't been recovered yet, and they might start this move during the federal funds rate meeting. As you know, I don't trade these meetings. I'm out of the market completely, because you will see a spike to the upside, spike to the downside, spike to the upside again, and then tomorrow will give us the answer where we might head. A slow bleed to downside is a possibility since we created this double top formation, and the targets could be, as I said, to 26.8k. Targets after that is to 20.5k. Could be the local bottom, possibly in the next impulsive move to downside, but keep that in mind, that you will see a spike to the upside and a spike to the downside during today's meeting. Other than that, we have the press conference going to be a huge market mover. Tomorrow we have the GDP numbers, and on Friday we have the employment cost index and core price PCE index, a big deciding factor for the Fed when they decide the federal funds rate is the PCE number. So keep that in mind. Looking at the liquidation map, a lot of liquidation points at all the way up to 30.5k. Those will possibly get liquidated during today's meeting, and we could go even lower than that. So we'll see what happens during today's meeting. Not a lot of volume, as you can see. It is a couple of $100 million. Could get liquidated in the next move during today's meeting. Let's take a look at AVAX. As you can see, AVAX have moved quite interestingly. We created this double top formation on July 14th, and we've been moving in 3 steps, as you can see, to the downside. First leg up, first leg down, second retrace, and then we completed possibly the third and final leg down. We could have another spike to the downside to grab the orders or the open orders in the area of $12, where we could form a double bottom formation, and we could move out of there. As you know, alts move last, so we could see a possible double bottom formation during today, and ahead of the FOMC meeting we could spike up and perform a quick market maker structure before we move to the downside again. That's something I'm looking at least. Trading wise, wait for confirmation when we break this high right here at $13.55. 1 hour close above that, we could see another move to the upside, at least to $13.92. Possibly could move there if the federal funds rate is as expected, and the stock market and Bitcoin market moves to the upside if we get what we anticipate. As you can see, open orders, a lot of them around the $12 and $11 area. I do think we could move there pretty soon. As you can see, these volume candles have not been recovered yet. That's it for today. None of this was financial advice in this video, just for educational and entertainment purposes only. This was Big Boss Brother number 2. See you soon. Big Boss out.